if his approval numbers within the media are down as well.
Well, I'm not sure I would quite go that far. I'd love to see those approval numbers in the media. But you guys are right. The media has been generally more skeptical about this latest pivot to jobs and the economy because the Weekly Standard did a count. By their count, it was his 19th pivot. So the idea that somehow the president would expect the media as well as the public to go along with the idea that this 19th speech would somehow be different from the previous 18, when what we got was the exact same rhetoric from this president as we've gotten over the last 5 years. More class warfare, more radical wealth redistribution, more talk about fair shots and fair deals. And I think it falls on deaf ears at this point. It's sort of like the boy who cried wolf. At this point, the economy hasn't improved. In fact, it's just sort of bubbling along on a plateau. We're nowhere near the kind of growth that the American engine of economic growth and opportunity should be. And I think the American people are feeling this on the ground. The media certainly sees this. And the danger zone for any president is when the American public tunes them out and the media gets bored with them. And as dynamic a character as President Obama still is, I think he is now in that danger zone.